In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your time in FreshBooks. Time tracking can be a game changer for those aiming to manage their workload efficiently and bill clients accurately. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to go to the FreshBooks website, open your preferred web browser, and enter FreshBooks into your Google search. Once you've located the official site, click to enter. If you're already familiar with FreshBooks, you likely have an account, so the next step will be to log in. Once you've reached the home page, look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner, and click on it. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. Now that you're in, let's focus on the core feature we're exploring today, time tracking. On the FreshBooks dashboard, locate the time tracking tab. This is where you'll be organizing your work hours, so it's an essential step. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a page dedicated to managing your time entries. Once you're on the time tracking page, you should see an option to make a new entry. Clicking this will allow you to start recording new work sessions. Here, you'll be prompted to enter details about the client or project you're working on. Typing in the client or project name not only helps in organizing your entries, but ensures that you attribute the correct time to the right projects. Next, you'll need to specify the type of service you're providing. This could be anything from consulting to creative work, whatever suits your business model. The service type provides a deeper level of detail, which can be crucial when reviewing work logs or preparing invoices. Once you've filled out these fields, it's time to enter the duration of your work. You can manually input the hours and minutes you spent, ensuring precise tracking for billing purposes. After entering your time, it's vital to confirm the entry. Look for the green check to save this new log to your records. By hitting the green check, you finalize and secure the data you've just input. For ongoing tasks, FreshBooks offers a handy feature to start a timer. Find the Start Timer function and use it to keep track of activities in real time. Once your task is complete, stop the timer and you will see the option to add additional details, such as the client or service provided. Finally, to store your time tasks in FreshBooks, make sure to click Log Time. This ensures everything is recorded correctly and is ready for any future reporting or billing needs. All set. You've successfully tracked your time in FreshBooks, a crucial step towards achieving efficiency in your business management. Thanks for following along today. Be sure to check out more videos for other useful tips and tutorials.